Yes. Guys, this is Hello Baby's channel. Who is my cousin?
Yes.
I had some issue with Hello Baby because one day he said I chased him, which I did not.
Yeah.
But you know, he's my blood.
Yes.
So I want him to be an honest man.
Yeah.
And through that, maybe I can be supporting him.
Okay.
Yes. Because
Okay.
me, I can't deal with someone who is not honest.
Yeah.
Sure. So if you promise you'll be that.
Yes.
You know, these are all our village. You know, you cannot run to another village.
Sure.
Okay.
Okay. Good morning guys. Hello Baby here. Welcome on today's videos. A very special, and right now it's early in the morning. We thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, thank you so much for clicking this video, and in case you're new here, please subscribe, comment, share, like, and also remember to drop the sweet comment on the comment section below. At the same time, don't skip ads. Man, I'm so speechless. I'm back to my family. Anyway, on today's vlog, it starts here at my friend's land, and that being said, I'm the caretaker, and also the reason why I came here early in the morning is to check how everything is. Probably last night it's raining, the rain of cats and dog, and I'm glad to be here because to see how things running, and I'm thinking maybe one day we should put a fence here running to other side, because to avoid too much, or maybe to avoid intruder passing anywhere, because the main entrance was here, and probably right now it's even my neighbor who was accessing by using this place here. But anyway, that's how we stay in Africa here, especially in our village. So east west, home is the best, and I'm glad I'm back to my home. I'm back to my family, and always all my videos are positive energy. So let me lock my bike, because maybe sometime I should go down all this way, and then I left my key here. This is my bike, man. So for my new subscriber, please, this is where I'm in charge of this place, and also me and Congrats Dad. So maybe sometime when I was not around, I know, Congrats Dad was very strict, no joke. So things are just okay here, but I see the mess door right there, and also there's some sand here. There's some sand here, I'm telling you. But that time when the one of this lady who's staying here, before we bought this land, me and my friend, or maybe before my friend bought this land, the one of this place, she was buying this sand at around 5,000 Kenyan shillings. But so far so good. Right now as we speak here, the sand is more expensive, compared to back years. Even me, I was like visiting people's construction, like I was working on people's construction. I mean, the sand was more cheaper. But nowadays the sand goes to around 11,000 Kenyan shillings, of which it's more expensive, double price of maybe back year's price. So let me check how everything it is, and we shall see what's next. I don't know, guys. For sure guys, when I came here, it's the day when I remember. But maybe by tomorrow, by God's grace, I'll be here and fixing the door, and also me, I don't understand those people who staying here on this house, how maybe they're feeling to on this washroom and toilet. I don't know. The door is falling down, but they didn't take care of it. I understand, man, some situation. Now it's fall down, man. This is crazy. Oh my god. Look at that. So I'll be here by tomorrow me and Muita, and I think we should we should renovate it. I think we should make another new door, so I'll come with another frame, because this one here, it's more hard to hammering some nails on it. And probably I will be here by tomorrow morning and then run some stuff. The good thing is, I told these people you should make this home clean, so you can see from other side. I think from this front here, you come going this way, things are just okay. But I'm very happy. Initially when I was passing here, you think it's a bush area. Even me, I think I walk from other side. I reached somewhere here, and then we left from this place going other side. But I hope these people, they did a fantastic job. Even the clothes, they are just hanging outside like that. For us, we just living a simple life, washing clothes, hanging there. And my friend, let me tell you, no machine, no nothing. Look at that. You see? Wow. I think this borehole, it doesn't have anything. Maybe this one in future, they will use it as a septic tank, especially for the kitchen. Also we have the borehole here. Let me check whether it has water. The reason why I do these things here, it's because we have some neighbors' kid here, also on the other side. They have been running and playing here. Maybe they will fall inside. Oh my god, a lot of water, guys. Look inside. Let me step over here. Man. Whoa. Yeah, it's very hard. Very hard, you see. So anyway, guys, everything is okay. It's only about that door, and it's because I have a lot of things. I'm just running my home, building my mama dream house. I'm here and there, so sometimes I do forget that door. But I probably, as I told you, by tomorrow I should be around. Guys, me, I'm very, very happy when I reunite with my family, and I thank God somebody's calling me. So guys, sorry for short conversation, because sometimes when I'm shooting the videos, I realize that's when people calling me. But now I just sort out, and everything's okay. So wow. And I think here they should make another, like doing a deep ditch, because I see the sand is going to other side and interfering the road. You see? Guys, finally I'm back to my family, and also I suppose to do the rest of things that are needed. You see? So from here on this land to the villa, it's only like around 20 meters from here to down here. And also there's some local trees right here, as you can see, and it has some local medicine. This one, even earlier, is most of the villagers, they normally came and peel it here. Yeah, especially this one here, you see. Okay guys, me I think I want to leave this place, and also I'll go back home and look for Mwita to remove the timbers and nails. We keep those timbers in store, especially for the rental. No. Is this my bike, man? Crazy. No. Yep. My God. I think yeah, man. Oh my God. That's a church right there. Guys, they're supposed to visit Uncle Mo, but I told him he was not around right here. Woo, corner shop. Let's go and see. Pole pole. We should finish everything. Oh my God. Oh. Okay. Guys, can you imagine it's raining up to now? Look, since last night, and at this time it's around 8:30 a.m. in the morning. So probably yesterday was on Sunday and today it's on Monday. My sister is supposed to go to school. Say hello.
Hello.
You good?
I'm fine.
Mbona hujaenda shule mapema? Mvua inanyesha. I'm asking my sister, why don't you go to school earlier? My sister told me it's raining like crazy. And I'm telling you guys, since last night up to now, and I don't know how my solar will charge. I don't know. At this weather, I don't understand. So that's my baby. I want to take it out and escorting my sister. Let's go. Wataka mamfu. That's what utakusaidia nini? So she need an umbrella. Okay, take it. I remove from here, guys. Don't mind. Wow. This is the situation that we had. Look. Full of water. Hodi. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
You good?
I am fine.
Guys, because of there's not enough light here, but you heard from my mama. Nowadays, me, I'm so happy, because initially I was saying hello to my mom. She only said hello. But at this point, Mama said I'm fine. What's up, man? It's cold. It's freezing here. Huh? Songeni up. Huh? Like that. You wear like American girl. Huh? You heard how even the dog behave. Good morning. Yes, I'm telling you, even me here, I'm freezing, man. And now the house is rain on. It gets more solid, like more solidified, like to be more concrete, I mean. So me, like, no worry, no pressure on that. So guys, let me know in the comment section what do you think about on today's vlog. And on my side, it's freezing, man. And I wanna wear heavy jackets. Even right now, I think my phone is almost went off. So I'm supposed to go in Nyabohanse. I charge on on one of my friends because now solar is not charging. Solar is not charging. Right guys, watch these videos till the end, and also these are mixture videos, so maybe you find this part of my video escorting my sister to school at the end of the video. But at the same time, when yesterday I came at home at night, the road was so crazy, you know, very slippery, very slippery. I don't know how maybe I should manage to drive my sister because something else. I wish one day, a day like this, we could have our family car. I'll take my sister in the easy way to school. Guys, now my sister, she was taking tea here. Huh? Guys, sorry. On this Mabati house, we didn't have enough light. But heading this way, at least to have some light inside. And I told you, Ali, like according to our culture, according to our culture, my mama, she can't sleep in boys' house. It's very difficult. So it could maybe when my culture could allow, my mama could sleep on that house. But for the real sense, it can't allow. And for me, I don't want to force issues about my culture. Or maybe I don't want to go beyond my culture. You know, it's very, impossible. So, we're gonna see how things go. And let me take my baby outside and escort my sister. It could be a crazy day for me. Look. Guys, now I'm outside. Look, I'm wearing like a ninja, but no boots, guys. So the back, that's my sister. So say hello.
Hello.
Say hello. Shikilia hivi sasa tuende. Hivi, shikilia kwa mbali. So guys, studia mkono, sogeza mkono. Sogeza mkono tena. Ushike hivyo. Sijui angushe. Sogeza mbele kidogo hivi. So guys, I'm trying to weka hivi nyebo hivi. Let's go. That's my sister. From a distance. She'll be a cameraman. Sogeza karibu, nyosha mkono. Hivyo. Umechoka? Just pretend. Guys, that's how we drive, exclusively. The reason why I give my sister, the reason why I give my sister a camera, the road is very slippery. And when we reach down here, I'll show you. Okay guys, you see this stagnant water here, look. So this is the kind of road that we had. Look, imagine. Man, this is crazy. So let me balance. I'm trying to balance to pass there with a lot of careful, because when I make a mistake, the tire will slide. I will go on the other side or this side here. Subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. And remember, this is a positivity channel, all the way. Sister to the world. Right, let's go. Struggle. Woo. see that? Very slippery. Very, very, very. I can't, Oh my God. Woo. Man, this is crazy. Look. This is the road that we have right now here. Hey, hey. Oh my God. I must be very careful. You see how bike slides? Anyway guys, stay tuned. We shall meet in a school gate. Bye.
Yes.
Say bye.
Bye.
And okay guys, I'm heading this way. Look, very like freezing, like something else. Let's go guys. Guys, let's go. Now I'm decided to pass here, heading home. Oh my God, look at that. Woo! Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my God. So I'm from Nyabohanse, and we are heading this way, heading home. It's raining, man, like crazy. Well, so I'm trying to wipe my camera. Then I see my ankle right here. Yeah. I see my ankle, man. This is crazy. Wow. Whoa. Sorry. Oh my God, look at that. Struggle for survival. We just struggle to survive. I'm struggling with my bike here to go home. And this tricky situation, I'm telling you the way it is. So guys, today it's my hard day. After escorting my sister, something else, you know. Even some cable, they are falling down, you see. Let me park for you guys, you can see. Oh my God. Whew. It gets rain. Even I wanna wipe my camera because of the okay guys, I wanna park my bike here and I show you. When I'm telling you this is a heavy rain, even I don't want to go closer. Woo. But the good thing is I didn't wear the white rubber shoes. So see, and these are very dangerous, you know. You see there's some cables right there. It's fall down completely. Let's go this way, as you see. And guys, don't mind, I just use an alternative way as a shortcut to reach home. So as I told you earlier, I do what we call installation of the Wi-Fi from the tarmac road in Border Town up to here. So other people just, you know, joining from this post, you can see. Man, this is crazy. This some, oh my God. You see, there's some cables here. It's running to other side. Whew. This is very risky. Very risky. Even I don't want to go closer because this is some electricity, man. Look at that. You see? And also I think the post, it's pulled down Maybe when we go this way, I'll show you. And the good thing is I don't wear white rubber shoes. If I could wear white rubber shoes and it's raining, it's also those it is the cable, a track, you know. And then pew, let's go to other side, and then you see. As you watch these videos, please make sure you give a like, subscribe, and also leave us a comment on the comment section below. And I remember today it's a hard day for everyone in our village here, mostly content creator. I don't know when the time it could be the normal way, but from this point, look, count how many jackets that I wear. You see, that's one, and then you see, there's some chest guard here, you know, to prevent my health. Oh my god. So I want to wear, oh my god. Yeah, go ahead. Whoa. Okay. Wow. I think, guys, I should stop here and I show you. Oh my god, here is better. I don't know, even the Kenya Power have some information that one post is fall down. Let's go. I must be very careful, or else I'm gonna show you right now as we speak here. Whew. Even we don't know where this post fall. Oh my god, you see that? This is a electricity post and it's fall from here. So it means the entire post, they were being eaten by the termites. As you can see. You see? That's the post, lie down. You see even some cable. You know. But I must be very vigilant. This is some electricity. No joke here. Look at that. Danger, hatari. You see? Hey. Okay, guys. So that's how my entire village looks like, and from here to border town it's not far, because I told you I'm just living or maybe staying in the center of border and Nyabohansi. So to access maybe going to border town, it's very easy. From here, border town is just within on other side, and then from my home is here. And then to other side is Nyabohansi. Try to imagine on that how I'm so, like, you know, staying in border town. Okay. So guys, this is your boy Hello Baby Official. Check me out, show me some love, and also let me know in the comment section what do you think about. Look. The messy bike now, how it looks like, you see. So maybe the whole of this week I will never wash my bike until when maybe the rain goes down. But for now, it's a kind like I'm wasting man. I wash after a few minutes, it's raining. You know. You see? But guys, don't mind on that. So let's go home. And I think I just escort my sister to school today. So without this bike, I don't know how my sister will manage to go to school because it's full of mud everywhere. Even look at my shoes, man. Yeah? So I should go and wear the gumboots, and then I see what I'm supposed to do on the next part of the video, you know. Please guys, on this video, road to 10k subscriber, I do appreciate. And I remember also I'm running the project at home day by day, you know, pole pole. That project I would call it pole pole project because it's going slowly. If you know the movement of the chameleon, slowly, pole pole, until I finish up. And I hope maybe by next month I should maybe do something else. Wi-Fi guy. This is saucy for you. Vipi meangukia what? Guys, I'm telling you, people are so busy here and serious. Hi. Hi, you good?
Yes,
okay, now you see the Wi-Fi is falling down.
yes,
Not mine. Mine is just okay. Because the post, it's fallen down here.
only one post.
One post only here. And you know it's very risk.
Yes, it's very risky.
Even me when I'm going there, I just, you know, like, fear myself. Why don't you go back? Massive.
Naenda hapo nyumbani. Mimi hadi nikipita nilikuwa napita.
Hiyo tena ni kazi.
Nafurahi naenda hadi Kianja.
Kianja. Ndio mnaweka wifi. Imekimbia na ile barabara.
Kuna vile inafaa imepita huko.
Wapi?
Kwa Kianja tu.
So mna ofisi nyingine huko? Mnakula vizuri. Mimi nang'ang'ana huko. Guys, that's hospital for you. It was the guy who installed my Wi-Fi, and actually he was a nice guy to me. I can't complain. When I have some problem with my Wi-Fi, immediately he ran to my home and do something else about my Wi-Fi. Anyway guys, we are heading home right now, and oh my god. Oh. Rich people are driving the car. Hello baby, motorbike. But me, I'm so grateful, and also I'm grateful to God. What I have right now, I'm just appreciate. And also guys, I appreciate your hard working, because you come to my channel, you subscribe, you watch till the end. You know, remain on that position, watch and subscribing. So anyway guys, we shall meet at home. Stay tuned. Chicken are looking for the food right here. That's roaster. And as I told you, I think that's my sister's chicken hen, I mean, right there. And this week, being honest, I'm supposed to do some small kitchen cook, because me, I have 2 hen, and also my sister 1 hen. I think that's 3. And because our chicken, me and my sister, they're really struggling since we demolished our home. They are going outside to lay eggs. So the leftover of these timbers, and we have the iron sheet at the other side. So we're gonna do a small kitchen coop, and also I think we have the wire mesh probably over there. Let's go and see. So look how my handman messes everything here. Bruno, what's up? No, calm down. Right. In the morning, I didn't say hello to you. Calm down. Calm down. You good? So, guys, so far so good. Let me check if I will have. No. Huh? Okay. Maybe. No. Maybe, guys, my dog say no. Maybe. No, Bruno. Maybe. Guys, maybe my dog have something to say for me. I think I should make the good kennel for my dog. Honest, guys. And no, don't step on poo. I'll put that kennel maybe somewhere there. No, I know. What's up, man? The innocent dog. Play with me, play with me, play with me, play with me. Ding, 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 ding. Let me check your teeth. You should brush your teeth, man. No, Bruno, look. All right. So, guys, sometimes it's crazy. You know, my dog realized. Let me stop talking. It's crazy. My dog knows when I'm shooting the video. That's when, like, whoa. Anyway, guys, I come here to check because we have enough wire mesh just over here. We have another one right there, another one right there. I think this one, that one, and also this one here. We have more iron sheets. Maybe the better place where I'm gonna do the small kitchen coop. I should think where I'm going to place that kitchen coop, and also this is a small mat. Oh my God! I need to wash it and put it in a good place. This is a good mat. So when I finish by sketching the kitchen coop, I'll go back and construct my kennel dog because they're really struggling. I also have the offcuts here, and more offcut is coming, you know. By tomorrow, my work was to split the timbers on the other side. That tree that I bought there, and I think that lady, they wanna start creating intention like, hey, I need to exchange for you. Like exchange for you. But me, I should wake up early. So by tomorrow is to cut them and fall down, and then from there I'll start splitting timbers. Because it's my evidence on my videos. I pay her the money on video, and you see. So I was having her debt around 1,000. Wow. Mama and mother and chick. Hen and chick. Look at that. Right. So maybe in future, when this place have been fenced, and automatically I'll put my fence here. You see here? That's where I'm going to put my fence. Here. So automatically maybe the kitchen coop will be on other side, and right here I have some idea to open my mom maybe a small business like a kiosk right here, or maybe not like bigger shop as a standard one, because already when the wall pass here and there we have the entry gate, like the back porch, like the back gate I mean. So maybe this place here I'll discuss with my mom. We'll see whether maybe in future I'll open her a small business. either of selling sugar, salt, matchbox, cooking oil, sometimes sardine, tomatoes. I have that idea, but I'm just focused on this structure here. So guys, I just left home. Right now I'm going to look Mwita to his home, whether I could find him, and then we come and finish everything here. So we remove the timbers on this part, and then you see the new look. After we remove the timbers, that the result what we have. And also we left with these timbers inside here, only this part here. But after we remove the timbers, this is the result that we have. So this is the back porch. So we are going to remove the front porch today, and then we collect these timbers. We want to store in a good place because we just need them. So welcome. This is my mom's kitchen here for my new subscriber. As I told you, this is the back porch here. You see, so it has two entrances here and here. That one is a pure grill. Also we have the window here. So when this house will be finished one day, I'll give you a brief quick tour. So my work for today is to remove these timbers. Reason number one, you are too much. Reason number one, Mwita, he has my money, so we need to finish the job. So let's go, guys. Wow. I hope my soul is charging, so let me check, because in the morning I was struggling. Before I look Mwita, let me check my soul whether it's charging. Man, welcome to my small house. Me and my brother, this is where we're staying. And I saw in the comment section people said, oh, hello baby, you should stay with your mama, give her one room. Man, like we have different types of culture. There is a culture where all families sleep in one house. There is a culture, even entering to your mom's house, it could be very, very difficult. There is a culture where maybe, I'm so disorganized about the culture. You can Google and maybe study about the culture of Africa, maybe Maasai, Korean, Luo, And I think one day I should do that videos about culture in Africa. You will see. And especially I'll go deeply to the Maasai land, and you'll see how people live, what they're supposed to do here and there. Like for us, here we just like warriors. In Maasai, they have been calling warriors. We have maybe Moran. I don't know. But about Maasai culture. But my culture, it can't allowed. Trust me. It can't allowed. Like, hey man, I'm sleeping on that room and this room is my mom. Never. It can't work. And also it can't allowed my mom to sleep in boy's house. Never, not. That one, guys, please, I hope for those people who asking that question, you understand me. So come along with me. This is my system down here, but I need to check whether it's charging. Look at that. So it reached 14.45 right there. You see, it's full right now. Yeah. So that's how my house looks like. I don't know why I'm calling my house, or maybe it's because I'm the one who taking care of this house. Probably maybe in future I'll have my own house. Forget about this, like, oh, we are 3 boys and we just staying here. I have my own room. Also my brother have their own room. Another brother who studied in university, they migrate. Also they have own space on the other side on that house. you know. Man, like I have big thing to think about my family, to think about how maybe I should put each brother to its own space. I have that dream and I'm thinking on that. But sometimes it's because of money I can't run everything in my home. And there's some part that I can do, and then the rest I left God to do my part. And when the God times allowed, everything will be more fantastic. So guys, my solar is charging right now, and I think I should take you outside, just like that. Also, you guys, this early preparation. One of my subscriber, before I demolished my mom's house, if you remember very well, my mama, she was struggling close to 22 years going to the river. Imagine, since my mom gets married here on this family, she was carrying water from the river. It's very far from here. So one of my subscriber, and she was, like watching me several times, and I feel my mama where she was going to fetch water. She told me, hey, my son, please have a water tank and install water. You see even some gutters here. It's running. There's some connection. And also you have the tap here. This is a tap. But we demolished, and the tank was on this porch right here. I think even you see the formwork where we placed the tank deeply. So just over here, and I think it's 5,000, not I think, it's 5,000 liter that you see here. And as I call it, early preparation, when the house have been roofed and everything, we connect water to this tank. About water tank, that one I make a bigger step. Maybe it's a dream come to reality. My idea was to buy a small tank, but I bought a bigger tank right here. And you see advantage of buying a bigger tank, we'll harvest water from here. And I think we should have more than 2 tanks. Maybe 1 tank right here, another tank on the other side, because this house will collect a lot of water, So guys, come along with me. I'm going to check Mwita, whether we'll find him to his home. Amjapata neti. So, mlisema Mwita alienda wapi hivi? Yeah. Ama amerudi kwake. Utangu kiona wewe na wero ni bisiki. Guys, let's go. I want to check Mwita. So, this is my home. That's the small boundary. As I showed you. You see kids are running everywhere. Hey. Sister, say hello.
Hello.
You good? Say hello.
Hello.
Say hello. It's reminding me Moses when Mara filmed the video. He told Moses to say hello. Moses say hello, hello, hello. Guys, by the way, me, I'm very happy when I reunite with my family. Pole. Me, I have no bad intention with my family, but sometimes it's people who create conflict, me and my family. Since day one, when something happened bad and people complain it's about me, I just, keep a distance, But again, I'm very happy. And my first cousin advised me, hey, you should be honest, loyal, and you should be positive, and you should be more kind. Of which, me since day one, I'm so honest person. It's the way other subscribers take me like, oh, I'm so dishonest, I'm not loyal. Man, come and stay with me like 3 to 2 to 1 month, and then you see if I'm not loyal, you should complain. So also my By maybe tomorrow she will be on the farm because the maize is growing quick and fast. After this, after we do weeding, it's need to put fertilizer. And also I promise her down there where we plant the maize, me and my mom, I should support her with fertilizer. I think around 70 kg will enough for her. You know, if I get around oh my god, if I could get $50, it will support her in terms of fertilizer. You know, at this particular time, without putting fertilizer, the maize can't germinate. It can't maybe mature and growing bigger. Also, this is my brother's maize. Is coming out, as you can see right now here. Look, it's right now here. Man, this is crazy. Look, it's come with one shoot out. Manipa! I see people walking on the other side. I think it's Manipa. Let's move. And I hope you enjoy my vibe from the village here. Whew. So I'm so tired, but I'm supposed to look with. Oh my god. See that house is coming in good shape. Also, this is the part of my family members here to other side. Oh, boom. Well done, man. Let's go. And also my brother, he plants maize right here. I think maybe next year it's my time to plant maize. Who knows? See, it's growing, it's coming up like crazy. You know, that's my uncle's house, but right now he was no longer on this world. You know, her life, it's already gone. Beautiful flower right here. Yeah. When God say yes, nobody can say no. I love to be a musician, but I'm trying to force my talent. Forcing my talent. Wita! Ulolo! Okay guys, see how this banana growing? So big. Look at this, even this one here. Eh? The whole of this banana. I think I should buy this banana and keep them safely so it wanna ripe, and then my family start enjoying. Super organic. You can't believe this is a borehole here, man. Aka. Ukifanya mchezo unaanguka hapo ndani sasa hivi. Don't confuse. So I was using other side, but this time I'm using this side here. Wagwan, man. I'm representing my Jamaican family to Africa, especially Kenya. Look at that, Kenya. You guys think about if I could go to a gym room, how my chest looks like. It could be more big and expanded, man. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Ta-ra-ra-ra-ra. Ta-ra-ra-ra. 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 Guys, it's been long. I'm trying to pass on a bush area. And by the way, the owner of this land, she was the one who sold me that tree, the big one right there. And also she was selling this land, you know, at around 800,050 Kenyan shillings. It's risk when I'm passing here, but the good thing, people sit here eating sugar cane. This is our cow right here. Hey, baby cow. It's grazing, man. See? Okay, let's go this way. Me, like, I never knew, like, my mom's tied the cow inside here. Passing to the bush area. Okay, we are moving. Hey, people put a lot of tea inside here, man. We are in the village. We are in the village. Okay, come on, man. Money power, come. I see man power. I don't know whether it's sober or not. Man power. I told you guys, I was looking manpower, serious. You know, it takes time, man, to come on this area. And even I can maybe took me even 1 year without coming on this place because I was busy. Manpower. That's how utafanya kazi. Come. Guys, this is manpower for you. Are you sober?
I'm not sober.
Why?
I'm sorry, bro.
Why? I give you a job. Why?
Sorry, bro. No.
Utafanya kazi.
Job, we can do job.
Stand with one leg. Guys, this is manpower for you, and I was looking him.
But man,
So why?
I have 2 jackets.
Stand with one leg.
It was raining.
Stand with
Even
one
you.
leg.
Eh? 1 leg and sun, man, you know.
Yes, we try to count 20 minutes plus me. You see?
You want to stand?
Look at me, the way I'm standing. Look, you're not sober.
I'm sorry.
You're not sober. Sasa mimi nimekupa kazi umesema wewe.
Nenda nipige hiyo kazi nimalize.
Nataka zile mbao za mbele zitoke.
Hizo ndo nataka nitoe. Alafu mimi sasa
Na uchungu
sumari.
Na uchungu
Yes.
sipasue na anything.
Sasa ndo.
Even tomorrow I have some idea. We can construct a small kitchen coop for the hens.
No, bro.
Kesho nataka utengeneza banda la kuku.
Why camera ni me? No, but I'm very
You're not
good
sober, Mwita. You're not sober. Mwita.
I'm good sobering.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, let's go, man.
It's only the front porch.
Of course.
Na kesho nione asubuhi. You want to build a small kitchen coop?
Yeah.
Because our hens are struggling, you know. Zile kuku za kienyeji huko nyumbani
Mbona kazi nzuri bana? Kazi nzuri.
No, stop taking liquor. 2016.
Bro,
No.
When I was not sober.
No, you know, like I give you work.
Look,
I know you have some family.
but
So
even Chazatels,
at the end
I
of the-
was working with Chazatels, but I get injured.
Okay, big shout to you, bro, Chacha Tiles. And I think
And,
when Mwita get injured, you
was
take him to the hospital. Thank you so much, my brother. On my previous day,
I thank him.
yeah,
I thank Chazatels. Of course, he take me
to the
to
hospital.
the hospital and
You see, you have good heart. We try to employ you. You have some family. At the end of the day, they need to put something on
let
table.
me
Guys, if I force
let me
Mwita,
say hi to the Chazatels.
guys, if I force Mwita, please forgive me.
Yes,
Looking
today, I was sikuenda kwa sherehe yake
Tuende,
lakini
sherehe imepita na wakati.
lakini
Let's go, Mwita.
a good brother.
Kama utafanya kazi kama umeelewa uniambie.
Mimi nafanya kazi.
Yeah, guys, imagine, you know, forcing people to do my job. It's and you have my money already.
That's
So na mia yangu na ukufanya kazi umalize. You know, Mwita left with my money, some balance. And maybe I'll add a little bit small amount of money to him. Yeah, this. Yes, it's very. You know. Mwita, mimi, I'm not happy for you.
You must be happy because.
No.
It was raining since morning.
Do you remember when I'm going to Nyabohansi?
Yeah.
You told me when you came from Nyabohansi, you find everything is already completed.
No.
But when I came home, my mama told me some crazy story. No.
Wacha nyumba ikauke. Unajua uwezi panda kwa nyumba juu imenyeshewa, unaweza tereza.
Alafu ndio ukaenda kutake leak.
Sijatake leak.
No,
unaenda kuweka kumalizia kazi yako.
Mwita?
My brother.
No.
Don't.
Imagine. Like I really take care of you. Like, hey, you know some work and you have some family. Instead of going outside to look people, I give you a job and you have some small cash.
But,
Mwita, no, Mwita.
are you hungry with me?
No, I'm not hungry with you. And I have no problem with you.
I'm going to a job.
Tuende tumalize.
Yeah, you are going, man.
And tomorrow very in the morning, aidha kesho mambo ni mawili, tupasue mbao, tupate mabanzi, kesho kutu tufanye banda.
That's a good job.
Even my dog is struggling outside.
Yep.
And right now it's a rain season, guys. I should
Bruno.
Yeah, Bruno is struggling. So I should put my dog in a good condition. Also our hens. We have some few hens at home.
Of course, you know.
Yeah. And guys,
also my home. It's not your home also. It's also my home. Your home is my home.
yeah, we are family, man. Me, I can't go outside there looking people to come and work.
Yeah.
And the rest, we have some family members need job. Why not?
It was raining. Even you can see, Jacket have, that's 1, 2, 3. And
Let's
4
go.
is
Even me in the morning,
you know.
I was wearing one jacket and some chest guard
Yeah, man.
because it was a crazy rain since last night up to today morning. Today morning.
Yep. So you're going to finish the work?
Mwita, if you stop drinking alcohol, you'll be my best friend forever. You will be. Because alcohol will never take you anywhere.
Let me tell you. Sometimes
Reason number
you
one,
have a stress.
not stress. Reason number one, you should stop taking liquor and run your family.
Let me tell you, my brother.
No. Everybody have
My
some
young
stress.
Uncle, let me tell you.
Which stress, Mwita?
Me, I don't have mom, I don't have father, I don't have everything.
So,
So
imagine
I'm
Mwita.
struggling myself to get what I can.
So imagine.
That's my life.
Okay. We come somewhere with a good point. You didn't have both of your parents. You are orphan, totally orphan. So what makes to take alcohol?
As you are seeing me, you are seeing everything I'm doing. I don't worry what I'm doing. I have everything. I'm big. I have the shamba. I'm a driver.
Yeah, you are a good driver, guys. You see Mwita drive like plowing by using a tractor.
Yeah, man.
You are a carpenter.
I'm a carpenter. So I don't worry for everything I'm doing. I just say Jesus for me.
Okay, careful because the bike is fast.
I see it. But me, my life, I don't know who, but I love Jesus.
Everybody loves Jesus. If you didn't love Jesus, it's your honor. It's upon you. Even me here, so I'm working in Jesus' name.
I'm coming to your job.
Twende.
Tunaenda kufanya kazi yako lakini.
Na kama utafanya uniambie.
Kazi nafanya bro.
Guys, I don't want Mwita. I don't want Mwita when takira.
Mimi nafanya kazi mbaya mbovu. Mbaya mbovu. Nikiwa na mwenge, nikiwa na nani.
Guys, I don't want Mwita, if maybe you're not sober, I don't want to climb on top of the house and then you fall down. I don't want problem. Kama unajua utaanguka, staki. Hebu uache kesho kuja.
Sawa basi.
Usije uanguke, afu ujue.
Lakini nataka nipo mwatuza mbele. Hizi za mbele hapo.
Guys, my spirit told me like no, Mwita should come early in the morning. No. Because you're not sober. I don't want to force you and then I don't want to force you and then you fall down. Chaos from elsewhere. Come on.
But I love job.
People say I'm Illuminati, you take Mwita, no? No, I don't want.
Don't think about that, man. You know. Don't think about that.
What you can do, Mwita, you help me to go in border town. We change the gas. Where can you kuja kazi?
Of course.
Aye. Town because I'm going to look the gas for my mom. And I think it's close to 3 months without filling the gas.
Yep.
So tomorrow you should come and work.
And finish my work.
Yeah, now you're not sober. That one I had to say big no to Mwita. Big no.
Why am I not sober, man?
No, no. Wewe simama na mguu mmoja.
Don't.
You can't. So let's go and see.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
I will finish up. I've said on I'll finish up. Man.
By tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow.
So now I don't want to force Mwita because I see, you know, the movement of the body, you are not like active. Your body is not active. You know. If you fall, you climb there and remove the timbers. When you fall down by mistake, they will say, oh, you take Mwita to Illuminati. You know, that's how people believe. With bad mind, like you are a Illuminati, like Illuminati. And tell them!
And how comes when we get injury with the a motorbiker?
No, like tell them how we work so hard. Guys, they can't believe about our pure hard working. You know, when I'm building the house, some villagers threaten me like, oh, you are Illuminati. And imagine if I could, maybe Illuminati, I could build even a bigger house, finish within 2 months.
That's behind that's behind.
Imagine. So anyway, guys, forget about that maybe crazy message from some local people here. Me, I just trust and believe in God, and we're just working so hard. Not only me, even my family, you know, on other side, that's Congrats Dad's family. They just working so hard, including even my mama. She was working so hard, going to the farm. So anyway, guys, we shall meet on tomorrow's videos when we start sober. And for now, let's see on tomorrow's, guys. Bye-bye.